Kalalong ka jingkemen ka bakraw ki Samla kan thei bat chenrang jo ka thain Southwest Khasi Hills ki badon ka sub elekai cricket ha ka ba ka Southwest Khasi Hills District Cricket Association ha ka khatway tarik ujemang klub li pat ba ya ka jaka ai jing hikai Cricket Academy Hashnong Mawten ya kani ka jaka ai jing hikai lawan ban pli perda do President ka Meghalaya Cricket Association MCA N batachaji kumukongsan ha ka jinga donang ubaji kharkongor Secretary MCA ba bante bor lingdo President ba klan bor nong sit General Secretary Southwest Khasi Hills District Cricket Association bat ki wei kinong kit kam jong kanika kunhon laya thu palat sispa praphongut ki Samla kan thei bat chenrang kila penrong kerteng ban pentebet yaladi haka cricket haka nika academy ka ban sa ajing hikai no shen hakitayo banwan
an honor to unveil the plaque marking the opening of the South Wales District Cricket Association Cricket Academy. Khubor So in cricket also, we want that majority of our boys and girls should come from this district. It is really heartening. I think Gideon, after the Shillong Academy, I think this is the biggest academy, 180 Philong. So this is not a small number. But like Bakhain said, it is not numbers, but it is the quality which matters. And you have such good administrators, officials, and we are very hopeful. All the way we came from Shillong, but we feel so happy that we have come here and the number of students or the players which are here, but I want that all of you should continue. And from Meghalaya Cricket Association, we give you full support because the ground was a challenge, but now you have overcome. So we want Southwest Khasi Hills to revive that glory, which I had said, and come forward and take the cricket forward with our boys and girls. I am again saying it's so happy to see myself, Gideon, all of us, when we see in Shillong that baby league for football. We used to say, if in cricket we can get half the number. So I'm sure that all of you will, and from my side, I'm promising not from association. If they continue for 3 months, all these small boys and girls, 25 numbers of them, their kit, everything I'll give from my side, individual. Give their names and we will give. Next phase, if the others continue, we will again give for another 25. This is my commitment. Their dress, shoes and all, they should be properly attired. Because I really feel so glad. It's not just for saying, because we are like kum hayang la jong hi baro. But I really feel so happy that so many of them are here. We did not expect us. We thought there'll be hardly how many? 25, 30, 40. So I Khuborkhasi if you borrow, and I want that this should continue. I Khuborkhasi borrow President, Secretary, Member Jong Southwest Khasi Hills District Association for inviting us. Otherwise, we would have missed this historic occasion. Khubor shi ajan mo baro
พี่ยังกัดนี่กาลาเป็นยากัดดอนวดก็เป็นเซมจงฮิชางน้อยพี่นามาร์บากัดนี่สเนมบังลาดอนฮักดิก administration ลากลองฮัก district level บัดเมตาฮัก state level งำปัด GOE บัดคำตามยีกิขณะกัดนี่beginวันองบัญญัติดอนเป็นตาฮักดิก cricket academy เอกเป็นสงบชีบนยากัดดอนวดก็เป็นเซมก็จงมาอยู่พี่เว้ยพี่ดอนลังฮักดิกปอดอ้อยกุมบองอี secretary มันเนี่ยกันนี้ฮีกระดาษฮีกระจิงทรังกระจิงอังนูดกระจงอีกุมกับ state association บกุมโนงินลำพรังอากาเลียงจกับ cricket อากันนี้กระจลากระจงอีกุมตากุมกับ state association ฮีงิลองบามันกี district กิบดอนกันนี้กับ affiliation บัดกับ MCA Idai ban sedang yaki akademi ke jongi. Bat kumjuru idai ban penyelakai yaki niki inter school cricket tournament. Namar isgoto balada ngi habban ya chakmat agaliang jogi cricket idai ban pelut yaka por ke jogi yaki niki grassroots cricket. Nama ladangi Peit tak ya kan ka bentah kan cukut nak kumto. Endai ladangi perkhat ya ka benta baka lasai. Mafihi baro ibadai ka benta baka lasai. Jong ka cricket jongi ha ka state. Kumtangi naga MCA nilai kwa hi banya develop ini cricket aman laki district. Nata kadau kapaning kongge ngi sedang galong ba ngi niyo iki madan aman laki district. Bat nga snow ban aingu ya ka district association lem bat kiwe kinong senchar yong kani ka Shillong chane Mawten blai ngi kani ka jaka ka baitanat ngilayo ai kani ka jaka ban pen madan gumne bat kumju ngilayo ban chnai kani ka box net bat bentang ngilayo ikiti ki kamera Bat nginang ya keren cucu. Dadang yo ya kan ka jing ya wan jopi baro. Kindang don cu ki jing tawa. Lese ki pengin ya keren kita ki kamera pelik penci. Bat kiwe ki jing don kam jong ke district. Nginang ya pej ya ki jing don kam ki jong pi. Bat ngina kaliang jong ke MCA ru. Ngin ya pej bangilai kat ni. Ke jing terang ke jong pi. Kamram ke jongi le long ban chuya rap bet ye pi